I got PS4 Scuf controller, and yes, the issue on both is if this is the first time you watch me, I fix video games and computer, so don't forget to give me like and subscribe or follow. So let's start to fix it. On gamepad tester, as you can see guys, both sticks look like not normal. The right side also is look like not normal. So let's replace both of them. So we have 4 screws, one here, second, third one, and the last one here. And this is the last one. Just be careful, we have 2 ribbon cables. First one for charging port, and the second one for the paddle button. One ribbon cable here. Just be careful. And this is the board. So let's replace both sticks. And this is the first stick. Let's go to second one. The second stick is also out, so let's clean both sides. Both look like perfect. Let's install original brand new stick on Scuf PS4. If you want to buy part, it's available on our shop. Both stick is installed, so let's clean the area. The board is ready. Let's return all the parts back and test. First ribbon cable is back, and the second ribbon cable for the charging port is back also. So let's return 4 screws back. And this is the last one. The last one is also back. We need to return the thumbstick. Both thumbstick is back. Let's return the O-ring. The controller is ready, so it's time to test. As you can see guys, everything should be perfect. Also the right stick also look like excellent. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, please leave a comment.